Hey, good morning. So today is a big day. It's closing day. And what the plan is, we're going to go over now for a walkthrough, then to the attorney's office to do the closing, and then we'll go back to the condo for a deep dive. And we'll take you along and show you what we find.
Time for our walkthrough. Walkthrough was a success. On to closing. We did it!
That's right, we have the keys. We're ready to go to enjoy the beach home.
Today's the best day. Steve and Sue just found and closed on their beach home. If you're interested in a home in the Myrtle Beach or Surfside areas, give me a call.
Link is below. Okay, ready to move in.
Here we go.
Okay, let's go up and check this place out.
Hey, come on in. Come and see our new condo. This is a laundry room with plenty of storage. Got a closet here. Don't.
Now, they can see.
Kitchen. Look at this kitchen.
Now, as we show you around, we would like your input on what should be changed. Should something be upgraded, changed, fixed up a little bit? Put it in the comments below if you have any specific ideas. So in the kitchen, they have Formica countertops, 2 sinks here, stove, refrigerator, and these cabinets which look original, and this building was built back in the 80s. And drawers. They've been around. What else we have here, Sue?
And then you got the living room, and look at that view. That's what sold us on it.
Yeah.
I think half our family's down at the beach. Let's go join them. Oh, no.
Security pole. So the ocean is right across the street.
You can feel that ocean breeze.
Now this unit came furnished and it was used at times for rental. So there's some older furniture here which looks like it could be cleaned, wouldn't you say? And came with the TV, came with all the stuff that you see here. Let's check out the master bedroom.
So here's the master, nice size.
Is there a view?
Yeah, you can open the window, sure.
Oh yeah, look. Can you see that? There's the water.
Well, I guess you can't really pull it up.
Yeah, good size. Comes with a closet.
And you got the door outside.
Oh, that door goes to outside, but I don't know if we can get it to work. Oh, there you go. Okay. Screen.
Go right out there.
Go right out. So we're back on the outside deck.
Yeah, I can see opening that door up to get some breeze.
Ceiling fans in every room, which is great. And there's a bathroom off the master.
Right.
Tile floor.
An ensuite.
An ensuite. This looks relatively new. Little cabinet here. And the old plastic bathtub. Would you keep that or rip it out? Or just clean it up? I think I'm going to try to clean it up. And there's a second bathroom for guests right down the hall. Kind of the same setup. Older tub. And this is the second bedroom. Let's see what kind of view do we have here. out to the back of the unit. Comes with a queen, and this is a twin. And there's a closet here. And up top there, that's how you get to the attic where the air handler is. And lastly, in the hallway, there's a little closet. Okay, so that's it. That's the condo. Now, to be perfectly clear, we're still going to be keeping our home in Murrells Inlet and use this as a getaway, mainly for family that come down to visit, but also for ourselves, of course. So if you have any ideas on what should be upgraded, what should be changed, put it in the comments below, like I said. And we have some ideas already what we're going to change. And when we do those changes, we'll let you know. We'll see what you think. So what do you think?
I'm happy.
That's great. All right, I'm glad too. All right, so until next time, safe travels.
And thanks again, Lilia, for all your help. Look at that view.